Welcome to Collaborative Lives in Context, or CLIC, Blackboard Shell Session 4. Session 4 is combined with Session 3 in the CLIC, but it will be discussed individually. Let's take a look at the activities and deliverables for Session 4. This session will see the team working to make revisions to the project based upon feedback received from the target site and contacts. The team will also be preparing to present out in a WebEx. The overall deliverables for Session 4 are as follows. Teams will want to work to gather feedback from their site contact, contact expert, and service contact. These documentations can be kept within a communication folder for easy access and reference. Teams will also be working to make revisions to the PBL plan. This includes completion of the final PBL plan, any scripts, as well as storyboards that need to be posted in the Session 4 discussion thread. Groups will also be responsible for participating in a WebEx, either synchronously or asynchronously. So let's take a closer look at a breakdown of Session 4. Mid-session, the draft of the CLIC project design blueprint should be completed. The blueprint the team provides within the template can be a design document stating goals, describing learning activities, an explanation of products to be developed such as slideshows, handouts, online instruction, WebQuest descriptions, and TechTeak activities, and so on. Here is an example of a WebEx that was created for a service-based PBL. The WebEx was included in the plan. Here you see it linked, and it was also included in the folder. You'll want to make sure all your design blueprint documents are in your CLIC folder. Also, please use the templates provided. Any documents created are to be created in Google Drive from the beginning. At the end session of Session 4, teams will be expected to participate in a WebEx. Teams can present their individual contribution within a pre-planned, equally divided team final draft PBL plan with artifacts at the team WebEx session. Teams can upload a screencast, and teams will be expected to comment on peers' work. So let's take a quick review. By the end of Session 4, the team will need to have submitted their needs statement, this should be consistent with the guiding questions provided in your team's PBL. The PBL plan will need to be fully drafted by mid-session. There will also need to be a completed timeline, task, and milestones templates. And the service site content expert and/or service contact should review the document. Any associated scripts or storyboards for any media elements to be developed by peers within the team should be linked to the plan. The team should take all their documents and post them in their team preliminary plan discussion thread. Teams will also be wanting to ensure that they respond and provide feedback to the other groups that are participating in the WebEx. Let's go back and review the overall deliverables for Session 4. Once again, the team should be gathering feedback. The team should also be working on revisions of their PBL plan. This includes completion of the final PBL plan, scripts, and storyboards. Make sure that everything is linked to your Google Drive. Teams will also be preparing to participate in the WebEx session. I cannot stress enough to always visit with your professors if you have any questions or concerns about the process. Also, keep going. The team is now past the halfway mark and it is time to implement the plan. Best of luck in your CLIC PBL plan endeavors.